Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Teacher Elmi's class. Today's topic is about the world around us. We are going to focus on the comparative adjectives. The objectives of this lesson are to identify the comparative adjectives in the story and to compare animals and people by using the comparative adjectives. In the previous lesson, we are already learned about the comparative adjectives. Comparative adjectives are the adjectives word to compare two objects. We use the comparative adjective when we want to compare two things. In bahasa, it means membandingkan antara dua benda. Now, let's read a story from the textbook. Let's look at some of the vocabulary from the story. Angry, whale, dolphin, shark, science. Now let's listen to the story.
Anna, can you help me with my project? You're better than me in science.
What's the project about?
It's about sea animals.
This is a blue whale. Blue whales are bigger than elephants.
This whale is prettier.
That's an orca. It's not only a whale, it's a dolphin too.
This dolphin is scary.
That's a blue shark, Greg. Sharks are scarier than dolphins.
Good job, Greg. Thank you, Miss Hoover. And thank you, Anna.
That's about Greg and Anna. Anna was helping Greg to do his project. Now let's do this activity. You have to read again the story to answer these questions. Read the statement and circle whether it is true or false. Based on the story, can you identify the comparative adjectives? Find out the comparative adjective said by Anna and Greg. These are some of the comparative adjectives said by Anna and Greg. Look at the words in the circle. The words in the circle are the comparative adjectives. Better. Better means lebih baik. The next comparative adjectives are bigger than and prettier. Bigger means lebih besar. Prettier means lebih cantik. The next comparative adjectives is scarier than. Scarier means lebih menakutkan. Now look at these four kids. The boy in the black shirt is doing comparison between the two girls. Dia sedang membuat perbandingan di antara dua orang kanak-kanak perempuan. He says, Lucy is taller than Sue. Sue is happier than Lucy. Can you identify which one is Sue and which one is Lucy? Yes, Sue is the girl in the red sweater. While Lucy, she is in the white jacket. Now let's do comparison activity. You have to listen and tick to the correct picture.
Activity 3. Listen and tick. 1.
Who's Ben?
Ben is faster than Jack. Ben is taller than Jack.
2.
Who's Steve?
Steve is happy. He's shorter than Peter.
3.
Who's Rory?
Kong and Rory are strong. Kong is happier than Rory.
Have you got the correct answer? Now, let's learn about comparative adjectives. When we are doing comparison, we usually add the letters E and R at the end of the word or the adjectives. Example, bigger, hotter, faster, longer, and so on. When the adjective word ended with Y, we have to replace the letter Y and add IER after the word. Example, the word happy, we remove the letter Y and add IER after it, so it becomes happier. Another example, uglier, crazier, and so on. These are the examples. Now let's do some exercise about the comparative adjectives. Copy the sentences in your exercise book and replace the picture to the correct word. Look at the first picture. There are Anna, Greg, and a picture of a beaker. The answer for number 1 is Anna is better than Greg in science. Please do yourself for number 2 and 3. The next exercise, you have to write sentences of comparison. Example for number 1, Sue is prettier than Wilma. Please use the word in the bracket to help you to do the comparison. That's all for now. Thank you.